Hello guys, I hope you're fine. So I asked a question yesterday about silent E and the word was bake. So I got responses. One was from Shamir and the other one was from Umar. So I really liked the responses and you explained the rule of silent E very well. So now I'm going to write down here, right on the board, the same word, and then we will see how it looks like if we really remove E. Okay? B A K E. Okay? So now, back in the day when we used to learn with our teachers used to tell us that E is silent. Okay? So if we really, literally consider E as silent, like no sound at all, then it would look like this, right? So which means if it looks like this, there shouldn't be any change in the way we say this word. But in fact, if we say this word without E, the pronunciation is totally different. It's bak, bak, right? But it's not actually bak. The word actually is bake, bake. So let's now break it down into sounds and let's see where is the sound of E actually going. And because individually the sound of E is eh. But in the word it is going to join with A. So b, a, a. So this is how we do it according to the more established, more developed phonics system. And this is what actually makes sense because the word is bake. It's not bak. If we remove E, if we really consider it to be silent, then it shouldn't have any effect on the whole pronunciation of the word. But it does. It becomes bak, bake, bak, bake, bak, bake. So b, a, k, b, a, k. So there is this second sound A, and that A sound is A and E are making A. The real sound of A is A. But here it's not back, it's bake. So the sound is A. And in English there is no letter for the sound, because in English the sounds are more than the letters. So that's what actual phonics teaching is. That now you understand that E is not actually silent. We used to learn it with our teachers because in the past the teaching of sounds was very different. But now, since we understand what actually phonics is, okay, you are figuring out the magic that's going on with different letters. It's not about teaching one letter and one sound. It's about what magic is happening in the words, okay, and what sounds are there and which letters are making those sounds. Even figuring out the sounds that have no letters. For example, A. A actually doesn't have letters in English, but two letters come together to make that sound. That's one sound, A. So, B, A, K. So we can't actually say that E is silent, because if we consider it to be silent, the whole word changes. Bak. It becomes bak. Bake. Bak. Bake. So I hope you understood this one, and thank you so much for the responses that I got.